rule under the Biden-Harris administration is getting some pushback from Arkansans, from elected officials to small business owners. The rule is said to regulate overtime pay for originally exempt employees. KARK4's Samantha Boyd live from the Capitol tonight to break it down for us. And Sam, what exactly is the pushback on this and why?
Laura, for Attorney General Tim Griffin, a lot of his concern stems around how this law came to be. He says the Biden-Harris administration overstepped Congress to get this rule into place. And then for a small business owner, he says a lot of his pushback comes from the fact that this will send his business into a frenzy.
Congress has already spoken on this issue and exempted administrative professionals and executives from the rules.
A rule passed by the Biden-Harris administration overhauling that previous law passed by Congress. For decades, the Labor Department has used salary as one factor in deciding when that applies.
I mean, we all have to work. That's just part of life. But it doesn't have to be a prison. It can be a place that you enjoy. And with the new policies, it's going to take a little bit of that freedom away.
Wesley Solins, the owner of the Pest Detective in Conway, says transitioning his employees from being salaried employees to hourly is not only a headache, but will change how he handles paid time off.
The way we work is, as long as they don't abuse it, which they don't, they're wonderful individuals, they as long as they get ahead of the schedule, they can take time off, and I don't badger them about it.
Currently, those eligible for overtime are salaried workers making $35,000 a year or less. Under the new law, it should be anyone making about $44,000 or less a year as of July 1st of this year. But then, as of January 1st, it would be anyone making $58,000 or less. A preliminary injunction issued against the rule has put that on hold for now, thanks to a Texas lawsuit. Attorney General Tim Griffin's leading a 14-state amicus in support of the Texas suit. While we wait for a permanent ruling on the law, Griffin and Solins are both hopeful this never goes into effect, not just for small businesses like Solins, but to get back to normal on how laws become laws.
You know, I talk a lot about Schoolhouse Rock. It laid it out pretty clearly. You got to go through Congress.
Griffin's amicus says this rule will impact, if it goes into law, will impact 9,500 Arkansans, more than 9,500 Arkansans, which is 31% of the state's workforce. We're also hearing tonight from the Democratic Party of Arkansas. We've gotten a statement from them that says, in part, quote, "This rule will benefit millions, including a significant portion of Arkansas state employees." Arkansas Democrats stand with President Biden in this fight for working folks and their families to bring home more pay for extra work. I have that full statement on our website. That's KARK.com. Reporting live from the state capitol, Samantha Boyd, KARK4 News.
Samantha, thank you.